we'll guide you through how to use Claude in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to ensure that you have the latest version of VS Code installed, as the integration works best with the most recent updates. Next, go to the Extensions Marketplace, which you can find on the left sidebar, and search for Claude AI in the search bar. Once you find it, click on Install to add it to your extensions. After the installation is complete, you will see a Claude icon appearing on the sidebar. Click on it to open the configuration panel. Now, you need to authenticate your Claude account. Click on the Sign In button, and a new window will open asking for your Claude credentials. Enter your details and complete the sign-in process. Once authenticated, you can start using Claude right within VS Code. You can use Claude to generate code snippets, debug, or even ask for explanations by clicking the Claude icon and typing your queries in the input box. Claude will provide responses directly in the panel, making it easy to integrate AI assistance into your coding workflow. You can also customize Claude's settings by going to the Settings gear icon within the Claude panel, allowing you to adjust the AI's behavior and preferences to better suit your needs. This integration can significantly boost your productivity by providing real-time assistance and suggestions as you code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.